Hey guys! So as you can see here, these are the items I collected on my nature walk. And what this is here is it's a cauldron of sorts, I guess you could say. And what's in there that's sparkling, it is not glitter, guys. That, what you're seeing, is actual, real pixie dust, whether you want to believe that or not. It is not glitter. It's, look, it's more glitty. It's more glitzy, and it looks way more natural, like a dust. Yeah, I've done a lot of spell work in this, and so it's like it's infused with magic at this point. Okay, this is the big bad boy. And we're going to use this bad boy to fill it with all the awesome things I just collected. Because we're going to do it in our spell and our ritual. And also, it's good for everything. So, I'm going to talk about each little thing that I collected and why. And what each thing can represent. And so it's like holding into the facets of each thing individually. Okay. So, as you can see, there's this rock. Okay. And it's like a marble quartz. If you can see the many little facets in it. Let me hold it up to the light better. Yeah, this is definitely a marble quartz. You can see all the many different colors and facets. And that is like universal earth type magic. And this is like really red, like a rusty red, like a Mars kind of landscape. We'll put that in there. This is iron ore. I can tell it's made from iron ore. And hoping you guys can tell too. Oh geez, I hope I'm not losing power. I better not be. It seems to be going down some for some reason. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stop it for now just in case it's doing something stupid.